Okay. Now, for instance, I have got two coordinates over here. This coordinate is 1, 2, and this coordinate is 6, 9. Right? These are the two coordinates given to me, 1, 2 and 6, 9. Now, for instance, if I will tell you that find the distance between these two. Find the distance between 1, 2, which is this one, and find the distance between these two. Now, some people will say, okay, sir, we can plot it on the graph and we can find it over there. Problem. What will be the problem? The problem is that everyone can take different scales for plotting the values. Like, for instance, you guys are using copy to plot the graph. I am using this whole board to plot the graph. Now, if I will take a distance between 1, 2, and 6 and 9, the distance will be very huge. If you will find the distance will be very small. Then what to do? We should have a process by which either we are going to have a board or we are going to have some copy. The distance between the points should be same. So what I can do over here? Let's see. If I'm talking about this one, this is 1 and this is 2, right? This is 6 and this is 9. Okay? I have to find this distance. This one. So, for instance, if I'm trying to find this length, the distance from this. Now, if I am saying 1 to 6, this is also 1 to 6. 2 to 9, this is also 2 to 9, right? This whole line is of 2 on y-axis. This whole line is 9 on y-axis. This line is 1 and this line is 6. Now you can see I have got a right angle triangle in front of me. And in right angle triangle, we know that we have got a Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay? Hypotenuse square. This is my hypotenuse. Okay? What is this line representing right now? This is representing distance between two points. This hypotenuse is right now representing distance between 2 points. Okay? Perpendicular. This will be a perpendicular. Okay? From this point, which is 2, to this point, which is 9. So how will I find my perpendicular? This point is 9. This point is 2. So can I say that in order to find perpendicular, I can write it as 9 minus 2 whole square? Okay? Now, finding out base. This point is 6. This point is 1. I have to find this length. So I will say 6 minus 1 whole square. Okay? So this is representing distance between 2 points. Hypotenuse is representing distance between 2 points, and I am writing a square on that. Okay? So 9 minus 2 will be 7 square. 6 minus 2 will be 5 square. And this will be distance square. Right? So distance square will be 7 square is 49. 5 square is 25. So your distance square will be 49 plus 25 will be 74. So if I have to find only distance, it will be equals to under root 74. So in order to find the distance between two coordinates, 2 points whose coordinates are given, I will use this Pythagoras theorem system. Okay, but the problem is that, okay, do I have to make this angle, this whole thing every time when I have to make distance? No, I am going to figure out a formula for that. Okay. I'm going to form a formula which can give me the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given. Okay. So what will I do? See, again I am making two coordinates, but this time I am not giving them any numbers. Instead, I am giving them x1, x2, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay. So, making my graph over here. And I will drop it on this one, x2. Then I will drop it on this one, x1, y1, y2. I have to find this distance. Okay. And x1 to x2. This is also x1 to x2. y2, y1 to y2. This is also y1 to y2. Right? In order to find this one, how will I find this length? This one. So I will take x2 and from that I will subtract x1. How will I find this length? y2 minus y1. So your base is x2 minus x1 and your perpendicular is y2 minus y1. This is your hypotenuse. We know that it's a right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is the distance between these 2 points. Distance square perpendicular y2 minus y1 whole square base x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay. So when I will take root on both sides, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. This square and this root will be cancelled. This square and this root will be cancelled. But don't cancel this square and these root, because in center there is a plus sign. The square is on separate brackets, so you will not cancel this square and this root. So you will have distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points, which will be equals to y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So whenever they will tell you that you have to find distance between 2 points whose coordinate are given, you will take one point as x1 y1, you will take the other point as x2 y2, and you will plot it in this formula. So to get your distance between 2 points or length of 2 points when their coordinates are given.